Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen Golf Estate GTD finished in a deep black paint. This is a 2-litre TDI and this car features some fantastic additional options including your panoramic glass sunroof and your Discover DVD Navigation Pro. So you've got your unique GTD badging on the front. And then we've got your 17-inch alloy wheels, they complement the car really well. You've got the GTD badging on the sides of your vehicle. This car comes with a keyless entry so it's handy for when you've got your hands full. You've also got your fitted roof rails, and then this car is covered just under 10,000 miles from new. So just taking you around to the back. So to open the boot, you just push in and click. And as you'd expect, we've got a huge boot space that goes all the way back. We've got plenty of room for any trip equipment. And then we've also got your space saver spare wheel to keep you covered. Then moving into the rear of the car, it's finished off in the Titan black and grey cloth upholstery with the white stitching. We've got lots of room for anyone travelling. Got your Isofix, aircon down here. And then we've also got a handy pull-out armrest in the centre seat with 2 cup holders. So moving to the front, I'll just give you an overview of the layout. And then moving inside, we've got your multifunction steering wheel with the unique GTD badging. You can set up your map on your instrument cluster, which is great for keeping your eyes on the road. And over here, we've got your touchscreen interface, giving you access to the car's features like your DAB digital radio, your volumes on the screen. And then going into App Connect, you can pair your phone to the car through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. You've got your Bluetooth telephone connect to make phone calls through your vehicle. And we've got your built-in sat-nav, so it's really clear and detailed and it'll really help you when you plan your journeys. And down here we've got your 2-zone climate control, got your front heated seats which is perfect for the colder weather. We have a USB port stored in here to charge your phone on the go. Then we've got your automatic gearbox with the start and stop function. Got 2 cup holders stored down here. Got some storage under the armrest. And I'll just show you the nice detailing on the passenger seat. Down here we've got your automatic lights. And we've got all your electric window controls. And then lastly we've got your panoramic sunroof, which is perfect for the sunny weather like today. Flows lots of natural light into the car. You simply push the buttons to open and close your roof. And then we've also got your blind, which you can close when the sun glare gets a bit too much. If you would like any more information on this car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.